Welcome to the episode 16 of the coin flip trading, the trading strategy that we use in order to determine the direction of the trade, and we solely rely on the coin flip, which in short means that when you get heads, you have to buy, you have to click on the green button, and if you get tails on the other hand, you need to sell and you need to click on the red sell button. It's as simple as that, and the topic for this video, before we of course dive into the actual trading, is or are the trading chart patterns. Well, as you can probably tell by now already, the way we trade here is just using the random coin flip. So we are not going to rely on something like the trading patterns or whatever that is. Even though there are thousands of them that you can learn supposedly and use them to make money, with this exact strategy that we use right now, it's just nothing to do with it. But let's talk about them for a moment. And what does it mean if you use other strategy and use technical analysis tools like these chart patterns while you trade? First of all, it's very difficult to really see the pattern in real time. If you take a look at the chart back retrospectively, if you take a look at it, the patterns are visible and obvious to you. But when the time comes that you really see the patterns, and you should see them, at the moment you just cannot, and it's really difficult to spot them. Plus, there is no real definition what the chart pattern actually is, and it's kind of like a guesswork. You're trying to guess if you can see the pattern or not, if it completely fulfills the conditions of it. I mean, it's just kind of difficult. And what if you can actually see two patterns at the same time and you don't know which one you should listen to? It's kind of complicated, and if you really intend on using these patterns and this strategy for your trading, make sure to use it with a demo account at first for like a longer period of time and to really find out if you can make money with it or not. This would just be my recommendation. Of course, this is not any advice by any means. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I have to mention it in pretty much every single video or under it in the description. Okay, but let's finally get into the trading for today. Just like you know, we always focus on the Forex market because that one can be kind of random. You don't really know what to expect. That's why we focus on Forex. And today we're gonna go with the Euro Swiss pair. It really doesn't matter which one you go with. Just make sure it's not the one you went before with. So just try to mix it up a little bit. So you can see that we have to ask for the coin flip. That means that we have to buy, we got heads. So we're just gonna set everything up, the take profits, stop losses, and all of that, the ATR. I've talked about this before in my earlier videos, so make sure to take a look at it if you are interested. So you just set everything up, and now the point is that you just have to wait and see what's gonna happen after. So you're just gonna, wait and come back once the trade is finished. And there you go. After just a couple of hours, you can see that we made money with the trade. That means that this one was successful, and it only took us, just like I say, about like 5 hours for the trade to close. That's why we work only with the 4-hour time frame, because it's not going to be that difficult and it's not going to take that long. I mean, it's really nice. So yeah, we made another 2%. Hopefully you like this video and like this content. We're getting close to the 20th episode, which means that we're going to make another summary, perhaps tweak something here and there to make it more profitable, or just make stuff even better. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to stay tuned, because it's going to be very exciting. And again, thanks a lot for your support and watching. You can leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and see you guys later in the next video.